There's so many. There's like so much going on, but basically we're on a boat right now, and literally all of us, we're eating, we're gonna buy stuff, and then drink things. Right now we're on that boat.
Para la festejada.
Open it.
Paulina, dale, Paulina, tócalo.
It's crazy. He's hungry.
Give it to him.
I touched a snake. And one of the snakes were the same pounds of me.
Put it on the floor. Put it on the
Put on floor.
Dad's gonna carry the That's a lot like.
Decía que veía el espíritu de una muchacha.
This guy moved into this island, and he said when he was on the island, he would see the spirit of this girl over and over again, and it was always like haunting him. So he started putting up the dolls, to scare her off. And he did that for years, so that at the end, the guy died, and they found him dead where they had originally found the girl dead. So she did take him in the end. So all the dolls that he put to try to scare her away didn't work. She haunted him and she took him to the death. And this is a small replica. There's an island here that's full of the dolls all over.
Yeah, that's what Mom showed me. That was just a replica. Oh my god.
Desmond, Paulina.
We just came back to the van. Look at this. But we got bracelets. So mine has like my name on it. Then Desmond got but we got our bracelets and Paulina got hers. So hers says Paulina on it. Killian has his own too. So in Mexico they do charge to use the bathroom, but we're here. Hey everyone, so we just went to the market really quick, and then We went to go see around there, and then we also went to a church. We went to the Iglesia de San Juan. We went to this church. After the church, we went to the market, and then the market, there's like a bunch of like vendors that sell like a bunch of things. But I got this sweater. You know what the sweater's called?
They call it a moke.
A moke. And look at the print. I don't think you guys can see the color as much because it's like kind of gold right now. But it's turquoise one. My sister got one too, and I'll show you guys later at the hotel. But I also got gifts. So I got a shot glass for my cousin Kevin, and then I'm planning on getting other gifts, but that's all I got for today. We're at the La Cerveza de Barrio.
This is what I got in the market.
Okay, got my food. Got an hamburguesa con papitas, which is a hamburger and then fries. And then I got fresa. And then Nene got the exact same thing, and so did Ralph. Okay, we made it back to the hotel. Anyways, y'all, so let me show you guys the hotel. So we're staying in the Holiday Inn, and this Holiday Inn is like nothing other like the best one I've ever seen. This is the front door. Right when you turn, it has like the safe, and then we have like our whole setup. So we have medicine up there, the safe, backpacks, our shoes. And this one, we hang clothes that need to be hanged. Up here we have our stuff that we take all the time. So my fanny packs, and then snacks, and then activities. This is our little snack station. We just have utensils and then our cups that we are currently washing. Creamers, and this is a where you put water and then it heats up, so like a portable one. Then here is the bathroom. Isn't it cool? This is where we're washing our stuff. Then this is all our products that we use, hair stuff, hygiene, all that. Then we have his and hers sinks, and then towels on the bottom. Then this is the door to the restroom. So we still close that door whenever someone's in the restroom. And then this is our restroom bath. And then this is what we close for the bathroom. Over here we have our luggages that we're not using. King size beds. So this is where my mom, Killian, and my dad sleep. Then on that one, me and Desmond sleep in there. Here we have our snack station. And then I am charging my Nintendo right now. Then we have just more snacks and then stuff we use like every day. We put our clothes here every morning because we wake up pretty early to shower, and then we change, and then that's it. And then over here we have our charging station. This is the couch, and that's Killian. And then we also have a balcony, but I'm not gonna go outside right now. But this is what it looks like. It has a pretty good view. And then this is where Paulina sits. And then once Paulina's done sleeping here, so it's a travel size inflatable bed. And then we put that up, and then I close the sheets and then put them there. But that's pretty much it. You guys, a little haul of what everybody has gotten. So first we have Killian. We went to the market today.
This guy, got my name right. I could spell for you. Killian. Killian.
So Killian got a bracelet.
I got these super fancy wrestlers, popular wrestlers.
I got a bracelet yesterday, and it's green, and it opens like this, and then you put it on the wrist. And I wear a bunch of bracelets. You could literally ask my friends. Killian wasn't the only one who got like a special bracelet. We all got one. My dad bought us all one, so I got a blue one, and it says my name on it, and it's waterproof. But this is what I got yesterday. It's a bag, and it's so beautiful. It's an over-the-shoulder bag, and if you hear a slur, it's because I have my Invisalign on. And then I got this whistle that my dad bought us. He bought all of us a whistle. It's an owl because I love owls.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
I also got this molcaje. I got this sweater, and I've been wanting one for all my life. Like, you have no idea. My cousins know this, but I've always wanted one, and I got one today. Paulina. Flower crowns today.
Who's it?
Flower crowns. Good morning. We're eating breakfast at the hotel again. So every day is different. They have new things and keep some things the same. So today I got potato wedges, waffle, and then they had a waffle sandwich. And then I got watermelon and orange juice. Today I'm big back. So I got waffle sandwich, some bistec, I don't know what else is in it, I forgot. Huevo, sala mexicana, and green enchiladas. I'm so happy. And then I got coffee. and orange juice. What did you give Af? Oh, he's almost done. Kind of the same thing as me, but he got fries. We're gonna eat.
Tantas cosas que quiero explorar contigo. Qué rico el bronceado marcado en tu ombligo. Me encontraste cuando más estaba perdido.
How you feeling? Good. Honestly, this mercado is pretty nice. It's really like nice weather right now. Perfect. We do need this weather back at home. Look at how nice the scenery is. So we asked our bus driver like how much it would cost to live around here, because this park is considered like a central park of like New York, but it's in Mexico. So roughly it would cost the same amount to live in New York around this neighborhood. Yeah. So it's pretty expensive for a good reason, because literally super nice here. I know, but at the same time I don't want to live here because it's home to grasshoppers. It's really nice around here. There's a lot of people biking, there's a lot of people running and still. But right now, since it's the morning, people are barely setting up. It's pretty calm down here. It's kind of packed, but it's not that packed. I bet in the afternoon it will be like way more packed. So we're going to the zoo. We're going to the
Castillo de Chapultepec.
And then where else?
Museum.
Museo de Antropología.
That's where we're going.
Anthropology Museum.
That's where we're going today. That's on today's.
And the forest too.
And then we might go paddling. We'll see you in a little bit. Yeah! What are your thoughts so far?
Honestly, that's crazy. We just took our picture for free. If you go anywhere, Six Flags,
like any amusement park,
Disney World, any amusement parks, they charge. I love it. It's beautiful here so far. I literally cannot wait to see more. So excited.
Para quedarme, nunca soltarte. Eres mi vicio, de ti quiero curarme. Voy a besarte en medio del solsticio. Así Dios lo quiso, me puso en tu sitio. Por ti, partí, te vi. Sentí que me volví. Eres mi frenesí.
What'd you get, girl?
Ice cream, white.
Yeah, we got vanilla ice cream. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna hurt it.
Yeah, but you can land on the finger.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to come. Oh, nothing feels the same.
It's so beautiful. I'm so excited.
Same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice?
This is like when they're dug out. This is when they're still covered. This is when they didn't know. No, that's the animal. And the cage of the animal. Then they get buried and then they found it later on. Yeah.
The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my deed. You are my only friend to the end. What's it like inside your mind, my dear? Terrified of getting over you. You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know. You never let it show my deed. You my only friend to the
Y'all, we're at dinner right now, and I ordered a burger, and you tell me if this looks like a burger. It looks like a damn freaking Look at the size of this thing compared to my hand. Look at this. It's small.
Yours will need some time.
I hope not. I think so. And then I got wedges and Coke.
Dad, what's up for one?
Fondo.
It isn't meant to be everybody.
It's big.
I know.